Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and
Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adejokeo. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, guys. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, my G. In my first kind of looks white. I just finished having my bath. I just had the bath and I've not applied anything. I just let water dry in. I didn't wipe it off. I just let it dry in. I'm trying to do that more because it's healthy, keeping the skin hydrated and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a soft glam, like a lunch date soft glam. I'm not going for a lunch date though. I have this sip and paint event today, so I just want to do this kind of brown. I'm going for like a brown soft look. Yeah, soft glam, whatever. And now that my face looks really white, I'll just go on and moisturize with my MAC primer. This is what I always use to moisturize when I'm having makeup on only. This is kind of pricey, so I can't afford to use this every day on my face. Well, am I supposed to use it every day? I don't know, but I use this when I am
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow.
Yeah, so I've prepped my skin and I'll just go ahead and do my brows now. If you see me looking down, like my mirror is here.
Guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
I think the only thing that would not be soft about this makeup would be my lashes. My lashes are very loud. I need to get minimal lashes. They are really full and long, but yeah, I'm wearing it like that. There you go. I'm wearing it like that. So I think I'm done with my brows. So moving on to the eye makeup, eyeshadow. Since it's soft and I just want something brown, I won't be doing too much, but yeah. Let me even see the colors. I've not gone through the colors to see. But I'm still using this my same palette. I've not gotten a new palette. It has the nude side, so the light will let you see. But I'll just be using the nude side. I have to decide what I want. But first, I have to prime my eyes. I always use this LA Girl thing. It's really light. I've told you about this shade before. It's a corrector. It's pure beige.
If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? that was me, if I'd stayed in my city.
Lashes were not for Softglam. I wasn't joking. Now they feel extra long for some weird reason, maybe because I've not worn them in forever, but I like it regardless. I'm not taking it off. So for the liquid illuminator highlighter, I can't find it, so I'm thinking of what to do to my eyes, but I'll make it pop a little. But for now, I'll just go to my skin. I'll do my skin makeup. I'll start by using my primer. I should have primed my face since I don't know, I forgot.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder.
I would use, today I'm using my NARS foundation. My shade is Mali. I've used a lot. I know that.
How it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England, never know. But when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and
Let's blend.
find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present. Mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? How my life would be. But that's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways that I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue and green. Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England, never know. But when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know it. What the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city, red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways that I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city, red, blue and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
Hey, hey, that T1 girl, don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl, body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name.
The way you're moving, oh, my baby, they drive me crazy, oh, so crazy, oh, about you, my baby, oh, that's how I really feel. Be like, say, I wanna just rock your body, rock your body, rock your body. Be like, say, like you might hurt somebody, hurt somebody.
With this, and I like it. Is giving me soft glam. I think my everyday makeup is a soft glam, but yeah, this is it. Yes, this is it. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and comment whatever you feel about this makeup, because me, I'm loving it. I don't know about you, should too. Oh wow, okay, I think I'm always admiring myself when I do my makeup. I'm always just there, like, I'm always amazed by the power of Jesus whenever I see myself again. Not even these last years. Anyways, guys, I have to go. I'm not late. My friend is late. She's not even close, so I'm just gonna sleep. I can't sleep, obviously. I'll try and take pictures for my thumbnail and maybe for Instagram. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next one.